国际消息来看，美国众议院通过对总统拜登的弹劾决议，要调查拜登敢有对因后生亨特伫咧海外商业交易当中得到不当的利益。亨特是拒绝去国会关门作证，讲惊伊讲的话会互人乌白解读。因那拜登是批评这弹劾调查是完全无根据的政治操作。
The yeas are 221 and the nays are 212. The resolution is adopted.
美国联邦众议院13表决通过对总统拜登的弹劾决议，因为拜登的后生亨特·拜登有争议的外国商业交易案，想要对弹劾调查内面证明拜登对海外交易有不当的获利。
It is something that no member of the House should want to do, but the House has rights and obligations under the Constitution. We are charged with providing the oversight of the executive branch, and we are the sole institution in the country granted the awesome power of impeachment.
共和党认为，拜登自2009年到2017年做奥巴马副总统期间，伊后生亨特涉及伫咧甲乌克兰抑个中国的商业交易中获利。亨特和客户相信，伊会当提供互因入去副总统办公室的机会，但是目前也无证据证明拜登捌斗相共迄寡企业获利。 伫弹劾表决进行无偌久，亨特才拄拒绝众议院监督委员会团票，拒绝伫咧国会闭门作证。亨特讲担心伊讲的话互人扭曲，所以只敢接受公开作证。共和党议员是讲将会追究亨特藐视国会罪名。
This whole thing is an extreme political stunt. It has no credibility, no legitimacy, and no integrity. It is a sideshow, a distraction from the fact that Republicans have done nothing.
拜登要发声明，讲弹劾调查是毫无根据的政治手段。拜登也呼吁共和党人伫离开华府进前，对经济、南方边境、乌克兰甲以色列等议题采取行动，并且提供援助。白宫是回应讲，拜登正清楚亨特要讲的内容。
Hunter Biden is a private citizen, and so I certainly would refer you to his representatives. The president was certainly familiar with what his son was going to say. And I think what you saw was from the heart.
不过，这场弹劾调查差不多会让肯定无法度让拜登下台，因为就算是众议院投票弹劾拜登，参议院也必须以2/3的票数通过对拜登的指控。但是民主党这么以51比49的绝对多数控制参议。公司新闻，陈伟林报道。